Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about this solve for memory wheel formulas. Formula number 1, P is equal to voltage times current, power formula. Formula number 2, power is equal to E squared over R. Solve. P is equal to voltage times current. P is equal to E times E over R for this one current. P is equal to E times E is equal to E squared over R times over 1 R. Formula number 3, P is equal to I squared times R. Solve. P is equal to voltage times I. P is equal to I times R. This is the voltage times I. I times I equal to I squared times R. Formula 4 is voltage is equal to current times R. Ohm's law. Formula 5, voltage is equal to power over current. Solve. P is equal to E times I. Power formula. P is equal to voltage times I over I. P over I. Cancel the I. Then the remaining is voltage. P is equal to I. Formula number 6. Voltage is equal to square P times R. Solve. First, solve for P. P is equal to voltage times current is equal to voltage times the current is E over R. Then P is equal to E times E is equal to E squared 2 over R. Then solve for E. P is equal to E squared over R. Cross multiplication. P over 1 and 1 times E squared is equal to E squared. P times R equals to PR. Then is equal to square root of 2 square root of voltage 2 is equal to square P times R. Cancel the square root and 2 is equal to voltage is equal to square P times R. Formula 7. R is equal to E over I. Ohm's law formula. E is equal to I times R. Solve. E is equal to I times R. E over 1 or over I is equal to E I times R over I. Cancel the I. Then the remaining is R is equal to voltage over current. Formula 8, R is equal to P over I squared. Solve. First solve for P. P is equal to voltage times current. P is equal to I times R. This is voltage times I. P is equal to I times I squared times R. Then solve for R. P is equal to I squared times R. P is equal to I squared times R over I squared over I squared. Cancel I squared. Then R is remaining is equal to P over I squared. Formula number 9. R is equal to I voltage squared divide over P. Solve. P is equal to E squared over R. Cross multiplication. Over 1. P over 1. 1 times ER E squared is equal to E squared is equal to P times R is PR. E squared is equal to PR over P over E squared over P is equal to R is equal to E squared over P. Number 10. Formula for I is equal to voltage over R. Ohm's law. E is equal to I times R. Solve. E is equal to I times R. E over R is equal to I times R over R. Cancel R. I is equal to voltage over R. Number 11, formula is I is equal to P over E. Power formula, P is equal to voltage times current. So P is equal to voltage times current. P over E is equal to E times I over E. Cancel E. I is equal to P over E. Formula number 12, I current is equal to square 5 over R. Solve for I. P is equal to E times I. P is equal to I times R. This is voltage times I. P is equal to I times I equal to I squared times R. P is equal to I squared times R over R. P over R. Cancel R. I squared. P over R. Then square root of I. The square root of P over R. Cancel square root. And 2 is equal to I over square root of 5 over R. Bible verse of the day. John 10:28. And I give unto them eternal life, and they shall never perish, neither shall any man pluck them out of my hand. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching, guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.